Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best PVC garage floor tiles on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for tiles that combine durability, design, and user-friendly installation, then stick around because we've got you covered. You can find all the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Suiwow 20 PCS PVC garage floor tiles. These tiles are made from high-impact copolymer material, which provides solid durability and resistance to deformation under pressure. With a load capacity of 22,000 pounds, they are ideal for lighter residential garage setups or spaces like home gyms and repair shops. The diamond-patterned surface ensures non-slip traction, making them safe for both vehicles and foot traffic. However, their smaller size of 15.7 times 15.7 inches compared to other models limits coverage per pack, which means you might need more tiles to cover larger areas. The upgraded interlocking system with 6 loops does make installation smoother and hassle-free. While these tiles resist staining and are easy to clean, they fall short with a lower customer rating of 3.4 stars. Citing issues with durability under heavy use, this product is best suited for users with moderate needs who prioritize affordability and ease of cleaning over heavy-duty performance. The key downside here is the relatively lower load capacity and durability compared to higher-ranked models. If you're looking for a budget-friendly solution for lighter applications, the Suiwow tiles could work well, but they may not be the best option for demanding garage environments. At number 4, we have the Lappy PVC interlocking garage floor tiles. These tiles are made from impact-resistant plastic with a 6-clasp interlocking system that ensures a secure fit. The raised diamond plate pattern provides excellent traction, making them ideal for garages or warehouses where safety is a top priority. One standout feature is their bottom grid design, which helps distribute pressure evenly, preventing deformation under heavy loads. While these tiles offer versatility for various applications, including workshops and gyms, their gray color might not appeal to users seeking a sleeker or more modern aesthetic. Additionally, they support heavy items well, but fall slightly short compared to higher-ranked options in terms of load capacity. With a rating of 4.4 stars, they are well-received, but lack the widespread popularity of some competitors. Cleaning is a breeze, as the surface resists stains and wipes clean easily with a mop or vacuum. Overall, the Lappy tiles are a solid option for users needing reliable, slip-resistant flooring for medium-duty applications. Their durable design and ease of assembly make them a good investment, but they don't quite match the performance of higher-ranked models. Coming in at number 3 is the Boldworks garage floor tiles. These tiles boast a patent-pending design made of polypropylene, PP, a non-toxic and impact-resistant material that can handle rolling loads up to 40,000 pounds. The brick-patterned surface ensures excellent slip resistance, making these tiles perfect for garages, shop floors, and basements. Additionally, the UV coating addresses buckling issues under sunlight, providing durability even in exposed environments. What sets Boldworks apart is its emphasis on ease of installation. The tiles feature a snap lock mechanism with 6 interlocking loops, enabling a quick setup without tools or glue. However, at 0.5 inches in thickness, these tiles are heavier and bulkier than some competitors, which might make handling and shipping less convenient. While the oil and stain resistance is impressive, the tiles are heavier than average at 38 pounds per pack, which may deter users looking for lightweight solutions. With a rating of 4.2 stars, Boldworks tiles are a reliable option for heavy-duty applications. However, minor issues like weight and bulkiness keep them from rising higher on the list. If you need durable tiles for demanding environments, these are a great choice. In second place, we have the Big Floors Garage Deck Coin Pattern tiles. Made in the USA, these tiles are constructed from high-impact copolymer and can handle rolling loads of over 40,000 pounds. The coin pattern design ensures excellent traction, making them ideal for garages, workshops, and display floors. With power lock technology, The tiles snap together securely and stay engaged, providing a seamless, stable surface. One of the key benefits of these tiles is their resistance to oil, grease, antifreeze, and most household chemicals, making maintenance incredibly easy. Users will appreciate the versatility in design options, as the interlocking tiles allow for endless color combinations. However, the matte finish might not appeal to everyone, as it lacks the sleekness of a textured surface. With a rating of 4.5 stars, these tiles are praised for their durability and ease of installation. While slightly more expensive than some competitors, their robust design and premium features make them a worthy investment for heavy-duty use. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Big Floors Garage Track Diamond Tiles. These tiles feature a high-impact copolymer construction with a patented diamond tread pattern for superior slip resistance. With the ability to withstand rolling loads of over 40,000 pounds, these tiles are built for heavy-duty applications, whether in garages, workshops, or showrooms. The textured surface not only adds a modern aesthetic, but also makes cleaning effortless. Just use a mop or shop vac to remove dirt, oil, or debris. What sets Garage Track apart is its versatility in design. The interlocking tiles allow users to mix and match with other Big Floors products, enabling endless customization possibilities. Installation is quick and easy with a snap-together system that doesn't require tools or glue. The tiles cover 48 square feet per pack, making them ideal for larger spaces. With a customer rating of 4.5 stars and over 1,300 reviews, this product is highly trusted by users across the board. While these tiles may be slightly pricier, their premium features, robust construction, and sleek design make them the best overall choice. If you're looking for top-notch durability, safety, and customization, the Big Floors Garage Track Diamond Tiles are unbeatable. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best PVC garage floor tiles for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.